Good luck, Johnny. Good.
Is the make your own boat race.
Yeah, George.
We've got Nanaimo versus Victoria and another Victoria. Team red, green, and blue.
Deeper, Johnny, come on, man.
Dig deep.
Looks like green is in the lead.
Nice catch.
Nice. Whoa. Friggin' endo.
Johnny's standing up.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, Nanaimo's sinking.
Put that water under the boat, buddy. There you go. 600 meters.
Jordan seen Lafarge barge? Up there and back.
No. Do you have a PFD?
Around the seagulls.
Yeah, around the seagulls. That sounds good.
That was awesome. Perfect.
Oh, Johnny.
This one's
the
sinking.
styrofoam is the
key?
key, I think. Don't you think so?
Yeah. Over when you go past, Alex. Tip him over. Oh, see, that's a trick concept, eh? You got double-ended fingers.
Oh, it's getting cold. Down it goes.
Just go up to where Johnny is.
Right up here.
Get a little,
Jump onto Johnny's boat.
He's completely dry. Okay, you can turn around.
Yeah, Johnny's kind of up on a platform there. He's not getting wet at all.
Go.
You didn't think much about hydrodynamics there.
Kicking.
All right, he's moving now.
Oh, and then I was trying the same tactic.
Way to go, Alex!
Oh, yeah, using the paddle, too. Great.
Oh, the box, yeah.
That's gonna work.
Great design concept.
The box.
Live and learn, huh?
The boxes are good.
Yeah, get a pontoon.
Oh yeah, I think just to the sign.
No, actually they just everyone's standing.
Okay, you're done.
Your turn, come on back. Trying the box again?
Oh no.
Well, still keep yourself like a nut.
Yeah, if you hit the dog.
Yeah, I can't see how you could balance it.
Oh, there you go.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Yeah.
They have this box
Like
crumpled around. Oh, dude. Oh. Oh. It's pulling me under.
It's worth it.